Welcome to the StarLab everyone. On this video I will show you how to program multicolor detection and tracking using Python and OpenCV. On this video I also give you step by step for installing the software and library for image processing programming. The first step, you need to install the Python, OpenCV, NumPy, imutils, and Skippy. If you don't install yet those softwares, I already shared the link for downloading below on the description. These all websites that I've downloaded my softwares, and I've shared these links below on the description. Don't you forget to fit up your computer specification with the software version, because several software doesn't compatible with a high specification device. After you downloaded all softwares, install on your computer. On my computer, I'm using Python version 2.7, OpenCV version 3.3, NumPy version 1.10, Matplotlib version 1.5, imutils version 0.5, and Skippy version 0.1. After you install OpenCV, you will get OpenCV folder and move the folder to the drive C and open OpenCV folder, then open the build folder and then open Python folder and choose a bit of your computer, 64 for 32 and 86 for 64. And then copy the file to the Python 27 folder. And then open lib folder and paste the file in this folder. Let's tap to active your library of OpenCV on your Python software. And after that, extract the imutils and you will get the imutils folder, and copy the imutils folder to the Python 27 folder. After you paste the folder and go to Windows and click right, click Command Prompt Admin and follow this step to install the library of imutils for your Python software. So your computer already recognizes OpenCV library, and you could use your Python software for making image processing project. Open your Python IDE software and let's start your project. Click File and New File. Let's write your code. I've shared this code on the link below on the description. You could download on the link and copy on your layout project. After you finish write the code, don't forget to check twice. This is the better way to decrease the errors. After you check your code, don't forget to save the project on your folder. Then, run the project or push the button F5. The windows automatically show on the desktop. This is multi-color tracking and detection. On this project, I'm used 3 colors: white, red, and blue. And then I'm used 2 tracking shape methods: rectangle on the blue color and draw contour on the white and red colors. For the draw contour, the tracking will draw the shape based on the color value. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell for the notification. Thank you.